Today we will study together Unit 4, Lesson 7, Multi-Steps Story Problems. Let's read together the first one. An architect is designing a bridge. The architect has two choices of materials. Mighty steel, 5 metric tons of this steel for 100,000 pounds. And silver strong steel, 3 tons of this type of steel for 70,000. If the architect needs 15 tons of steel to complete his work, his bridge, how much money will be saved if he purchases from Mighty Steel? First, let's calculate the Mighty Steel cost. Mighty Steel, the 5 tons costs equal 100,000. The architect needs 15 tons to finish his work, his bridge. This is cost, 5 tons costs 100,000. 15 tons cost how many thousands? How to calculate it? Look at me, look with me. The 5 turn it to be what? Yes, the 5 turn it to be 15. How? Excellent. By multiplying 3 multiplied by 3. 5 by 3 equals 15. You did at this side multiplied by 3. You do the same at the money side. So at the money side, you will multiply by 3 too. So 100,000 multiplied by 3 equals 300,000 LE. This is for Mighty Steel. About the silver strong steel. 3 ton costs 70,000. 3 ton costs 70,000. So 15 ton costs how much money? Like up. 3 turn it to be what? 15. Multiplied by what? Which number? Excellent. Multiplied by 5. From the right side like left side. The side of weight and the side of cost. Yes, multiplied by 5 too. 70 multiplied by 5. Drop 4 zeros and 5 by 7 equal 35. So if he choose Mighty Steel, he will pay 300,000. If he chooses Strong Steel, he will pay 350,000. Which is better? Yes, he need to pay less. So better is Mighty Steel. But this is not the question. The question was how much money will be saved if he used Mighty Steel. How many? If he used Mighty Steel, he will buy 300,000. If he used Strong Steel, he will pay 350,000. How much money will be saved? Excellent. I will make, yes, subtraction. Excellent. I will put the bigger number or the smaller number first. The bigger number first, and then the smaller number. 350,000 minus 300,000 equals 50,000 LE. So he will save 50,000 LE. The second one, let's read it together. Nike sold a total of 30 boxes of sport t-shirts. Okay, these boxes contains only basketball t-shirts and football t-shirts. Each box contained 25 sport t-shirts. So Nagy sold how many boxes? 30 boxes. Inside each box, how many t-shirts? 25 t-shirts. Between football t-shirts and basketball t-shirts, okay? Each t-shirt, 3 pounds, okay? He earned total 1,134 from the football t-shirt. Okay, from only the football t-shirts. How much money did Nagy earn from the basketball t-shirts? Okay, let's calculate first the total money he earned. The total money he earned. He has how many bucks? 30 bucks. He sold 30 bucks. Inside each box, how many t-shirts? 25 t-shirts. Excellent. Each t-shirt cost how many pounds? 3. So to get the total money he earned, you will make multiplication for 30 by 25 by 3. Excellent. And you start first with 30 by 25, then you can make the result with multiplied by 3. 30 by 25, 5 by 0, 0, 5 by 3, excellent, 15. And then don't forget to put 0 in the ones place to start with tens place. 2 by 0, 0, and 2 by 3, 6. Excellent. And then the adding start. 0, 5, and 7. 750. Yes. 750 multiplied by 3. 3 by 0, 0. 3 by 5, 15. Put 5 and carry 1. 3 by 7, 21, and 1, 22. So, total money he earned, 2,250. What? Excellent, LE. 2,250 LE. He earned 1,134 from football. So, the basketball, how to get it? Excellent, by subtraction. Excellent, by subtraction. I will subtract the total money he earned from football from the total money he earned from the two type of t-shirts. So 2,250, the total money he earned minus the money he earned from football t-shirt equals subtraction. 0 minus 4, I can do it, because 0 smaller than 4. I will, yes, borrow 1 from 5. 5 turn it to be 4, and 0 be strong, be 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So, the total money he earned from the basketball t-shirt equals 1,116 pounds. The fourth one, the third one, read with me. Zainab ordered 12 packages of fabric squares. Look at this package. This is fabric squares to make a quilt. Each package has 18 fabric squares. She ordered 12 packages. Each package, 18 fabric squares. Zainab used the squares for her quilt. Reem made a quilt that was 13 squares wide by 13 squares long, like a square, 13 by 13. Its length, like width, is square. How many fewer squares did Reem use than Zainab? First, let's calculate Zainab number of squares. Number squares that Zainab used. Zainab squared, 12 package. Each package has, 18 fabric. So 12 by 18, 12 by 18. 8 by 2 equals 16, 6 and 3, 1. 8 by 1, 8 and 1, 9. Put 0 in ones place to start with tens place. 1 by 2, 2, and 1 by 1, 1. Make addition, 6, 11, 31, 2. So, Zainab used 216 what? Squares. Excellent. Number of squares that Reem used. Reem used 13 by 13, right? 13 by 13 squares. 13 by 13. 3 by 3 equals excellent 9. 3 by 1, 3. Put 0 in ones to start with tens. 1 by 3, 3. 1 by 1, 1. The addition step 9, 9, 9, 6, 9, 6, 1. So Reem used 169 excellent squares. How many fewer Reem used? Reem used fewer, right? Zainab used 216 and Reem used 169. So Reem used fewer. How to get the number between those two, the difference? Excellent. Why make subtraction? Excellent. I will subtract number of Zainab minus number of Reem. 216 minus 169. 6 minus 9. I can't. 6 is smaller than 9. I will borrow 1 from this one. 1 turn it to be 0 and 6 turn it to be 16. It's strong now. 16 minus 9. Excellent. 7. 0 minus 6. I can't. 0 smaller than 6. I can't subtract 6 from 0. 0 need to borrow 1 from this 2. 2 turn it to be 1 and 0 turn it to be excellent. 10. Be strong. 10 minus 6. Excellent. 4. And 1 minus 1, 0. So the difference between 2 is 47 squares. Well done. Good job. And I love you so much. And goodbye.